So this 2013 Town & Country owner is complaining about battery charging, stalling, and no start. Check the voltage on here. It gave me 14 volts while running, but you can see that this battery terminal is loose, and that means that the battery's not getting a good charge. Tried to make this tighter, it's not getting tighter. So I told the owner to go ahead and replace this, and let's start with that as a possibility. Then we'll check the battery again, and if that's not the case, then I know there are problems with the alternator that need to be resolved.